Also, am I allowed to curse?
Yeah, I'll leave it out. It'll be funny.
Great. You're gonna have a lot of work to do.
No, don't do it.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Stop. Hey, I'm Billy.
I'm Bella.
And this is Bills and Bells.
That was weird.
Today we're gonna cook brownies.
He's the only one that's gonna keep us on track.
I'm professional.
Okay, so we're making brownies, but not brownies from scratch because who has time for that? We're making brownies from a box because that is the way that I live. So first you just do what the box says. I'm not even gonna tell you how to make brownies from a box because honestly it tells you right here.
Read the box.
Read the mother. So welcome to Visioning with Babish. My name is Babish and I'm gonna teach you everything.
Shot for that.
Stop, I just really love him. Also, I shouldn't have put the powder in first. I should have done wet ingredients first, but we don't care. We're just gonna make a little well in the powder. And he's gonna hand me 2 eggs because he doesn't know what he's doing.
I'm not gonna be cracking them.
Do you wanna crack an egg?
I think you should crack an egg, and I should crack an egg, and then everyone should know that I'm just as good as you.
Are you gonna do the one-handed crack?
I will try.
You get shell in the...
These are frozen.
Wait, no, let me see.
that.
Did I not do it though?
So when you go and you buy your box, this is the most important thing to remember.
Oh my God.
This is a tutorial.
Oh
I don't know what you want to talk about.
This is hard.
No, it's too early.
Oh, please. No. Even you. No, like my finger.
But you can put it on my face.
Yes. Simba.
Step 2. We didn't go about step 1. That was getting your box and putting your ingredients in.
Hey, rinse this and then we need to butter it.
We're gonna butter this pan up. I gotta butter Bella up when I want something.
That was so bad. Yeah, you just want to take your stick of butter and color like you're a 5-year-old who just learned what arts and crafts was.
I will now evenly pour and distribute the batter.
You're gonna do such a good job, babe. You gonna cut that out?
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna die.
Do we lick the spatula?
What?
Do we lick the spatula? I don't want to talk anymore. Alright, we've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
It's fun fact, it's been preheated for the last hour.
Now we're going to throw our brownies in the oven. If you would please open the oven for me to throw the brownies in. Oh, I'll cut that, it'll be great.
Don't do that. This is an hour's worth of work.
Gordon Ramsay would destroy us.
I'm really hot. It's good. It's kind of still raw. I like it.
You need to go back in.
No, it's good. Do you think it's not good?
It's real wet for a brownie.
You can put them back in for a little bit. Well, not that bad.
Cook!
That was our attempt at brownies. Obviously, it failed horribly. Thanks for watching.
We'll do better next time.
Like and subscribe if you think we're cute.
Yeah.
Don't! We're putting...
That's too hot. That's too hot. Bye.
Bye. Yum, 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 yum.